In this video, we're going to learn 3 versions of the Am7, all very useful. We'll start the easiest and move up to more difficult ones, but that have more flexibility as well. Let's do this. Hi, I'm Thomas Michaud from Real Guitar Success, where I help you learn guitar and love the journey. If you're new here, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click that little bell so I can keep you updated with new lessons and guitar learning tips. Am7 is a fairly popular chord. It's basically an A minor with an added note that makes it the 7th part. We're going to start with the easiest version, or the most common version. It looks like this. So it's very similar to the A minor. A minor would have my 3rd finger down on the 3rd string, and A minor 7, no 3rd finger, just 2 fingers. Let's finger it. I've got the 1st finger on the 2nd string, the B string, 1st fret. I'm skipping the 3rd string, and I have my 2nd finger over here on the 2nd fret of the 4th string. Now, I'm also hitting that open 5th string. If you accidentally hit the 6th string, it's okay. It's a part of the chord and it sounds fine. But I generally aim for the first 5 strings. This is by far the most common version used on acoustic guitar. Let's do version number 2. Version number 2 is a little higher in pitch, and it's useful in that it sounds a little different, gives some variation to if you're strumming chords. Sounds like this. Now, what I've done is made a little partial bar at my 1st finger across fret number 5 on the first 4 strings. That's this. I've got an open A here. And again, if you accidentally hit the low E, that's okay. It works as part of the chord. But the root, or the name of the chord, A, is on the 5th string. Cool. So to play this one, you take your 1st finger, bar it over the 5th fret, or I should say just behind it. You don't want to be on top of the fret. It works best if you keep this knuckle flat and this knuckle not below the neck. It starts crumbling. The sound crumbles as you lose your hand down below the neck. Keep your wrist kind of out and your knuckle buckled. This knuckle can even be a little bit in the air. Now all the strings sound fairly clear. Let's do number 3. Number 3 sounds like this. This is a very popular form, especially on electric guitar. It's a movable form. So when you play the Am7 this way, you can easily move to another bar chord. In this case, the root is on the 6th string, and we call it a 6-string root bar chord. So to make this chord, I bar across the 5th fret, or just behind it to be accurate. Remember to kind of angle your finger back or roll it back a little bit so that the bony part makes the bar. And then use your 3rd finger to play on the 5th string, 7th fret. That was a mouthful. 5th string, 7th fret. Yeah, got it. Sounds like that. So all the other chords are covered by the bar. And the 6th string is actually the root of the chord, the A, so you want to play that too. If you're new to bar chords, I encourage you to practice something like a bar chord exercise first. And I'll include a link, I think, in that corner, so you can get to some exercises or some help with bar chords. Thanks for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, let me know in the comments. And feel free to ask questions so I can help you along the way with your guitar journey. By the way, if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, go ahead and subscribe and click that little bell so you'll be a part of my community. Got something you want to learn? Let me know in the comments and maybe I'll make a video out of it. Look forward to seeing you soon.